All right, anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now, that's kind of mind-blowing, right? If you raise something to the power of 0, you would think, oh, that's probably 0. Or something. Anything other than 1 would make more sense, right? But let me just show you why this is true, or how this is true. This is not, some kind of formal proof, but I just want to give you an example. So let's start with 1. There we go. We can all agree on the number 1. Okay. Um, what is a way to rewrite the number 1 as a something else with exponents in it? Well, I'm going to call it x to the fourth. No, I could have picked anything over x to the fourth. That's one way to write the number 1. Um, this looks like an x. That's a 4. Right? Anything divided by itself is 1, right? So if whatever x is, let's say it's 2. 2 to the fourth divided by 2 to the fourth would be 1. Um, okay, well, we know from the quotient rule of exponents that um, x to the fourth over x to the fourth would be equivalent to x to the 4 minus 4, right? Let's back up. How about 3 cubed over 3 squared um, is equal to 3 over um, 3 minus 2, which is 3 to the first, which is 3. Well, is that true? 3 cubed is 27. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 squared is 9. 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 3. You could also look at this as 3 times 3 times 3 over 3 times 3. Well, two of these cancel out, and all you're left with is 3. So, okay, so we know that if you've got a power over a power, same base, we could rewrite that as the base to the first exponent minus the one underneath, right? Okay, so back up here, we can say that x over x over 4 is equal to x to the 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4. Well, what's 4 minus 4? That's 0. Um, so now you just go this way. Boom, your mind is blown. Okay, so I hope that's convincing for you. That anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now you can use that to solve all kinds of stuff. I mean, these are kind of silly examples. Y to 0, 1. Really doesn't matter what y is. Y could be a billion. Who cares? That to the 0 is 1. Um, p q to the 0. Well, only q is being raised to the power of 0, so that's 1. So p times 1, that's p. 7 to 0, 1. 1 minus blah 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 to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1 minus 1 and equals 0. 3 over w to the 0. Whoa, what's w? Who cares? Anything to the power of 0 is 1, so this is 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. 3. Not 3 minus 3. Ignore that. So yeah, why don't you try some examples? And I don't know, maybe while you're at it, see if there's another way you can show. Maybe if you're pretend you're trying to prove to a friend that anything to the power of 0 is 1, and your friend's just like, no way, man, I can't believe it. Show an example of why that would be true. But anyway, do these too. All right, have fun.